This is a crazy presentation. I guess my lunch came. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Every time y'all click on one of my videos, I am so appreciative, man. But today we got another Yeezy hoodie review. Sizing wise, we're gonna put it on and make sure it fits like the other ones that I own, the red and the blue. I think it should, but you never know when it comes to like a black or a white colorway in anything. Sometimes designers like to switch up when it comes to like the basic black and white opposed to the other colorways. So we're gonna do that. But a lot of people on YouTube have these Yeezy hoodie Gap videos, but they don't show you how they come. So mine came in a brown paper bag. I'm not mad. This is typical Kanye West. As you know, the Yeezy sneakers come in the brown paper box. And these right here are the Vermilion Yeezy slide slipper sneakers, whatever you want to call them. As you can see, it comes in the same brown box. So this is on point with Kanye, and I kind of actually like it. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about this presentation. But yo, I'm cool with it, man. So we're gonna take this off. And boom. Here go your Yeezy hoodie. Yeezy Gap hoodie in the black colorway. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. So the first thing I see about this black is not like it's more like a stonewash black, but not all the way stonewash. As you see this Travis Scott hoodie I have on here, it's more of a stonewash than this black one. You do get authentic black in this Yeezy hoodie, but it does have some areas where it's ashen, where it's a little gray. But the same quality and thickness of the blue and red one for sure. Again, nothing's changed. All you have is this little Yeezy logo there. Nothing changed with that. Something I did notice, and I'm gonna go back, but this little I don't know what you can call that, but this puffs up a little bit, and this is, I guess, where the material meets. So that's why there's a little thickness here to the back of the hoodie. If you guys wear hoodies, you know back in the 90s, Champion hoodies was real popular, and they had this here, but it turned more into like a cone head. They used to call the hoodies the cone head material. The Yeezy hoodie does not do that, but I do see the resemblance here. Let's switch to the red one. Again, even with the red one, It does have a stonewash look a little bit, but it's bright red. With black, you can kind of tell when something is ashen or the color is going away a little bit, fading away. Same with the blue one. The blue one has no stonewash look. It just has a vibrant, nice blue. But when it comes to the black, you guys can see like the stonewash look fading in and out of the black. And I honestly think that's primarily because it's black. Even with like a black car, you seem to see the swirls, the scratches a little more than you would see on a colorful car. This is a crazy presentation. But let me know in the comment section, guys, what's your favorite Yeezy Gap hoodie colorway? Me today is the blue, because even though we seen that blue before, this blue just looks real pretty, guys. It's like just very, very pretty in my opinion. I like the red too. Y'all know I'm a big fan of red, but I have to go with the blue. I do want to get my hands on the lavender purplish one. So get this video up to 15 likes and I'll purchase the purple one, and we'll compare all the colorways in an in-depth review, finding out which one tops the Yeezy Gap Perfect Hoodie color list. But right now, I'm going with the blue, guys. I would love to hear in the comment section below y'all favorite color. Again, I'm 5'7", about 170 pounds, and I always went with the medium in all colorways. The blue, the red, and the black, I went with a medium. And that I usually go large with my hoodies. Like this should be a large that I have on right now. This Travis Scott hoodie is a large. I usually go large, but I went medium with the Yeezys, and it fits perfectly to the waist. I don't find myself pulling my hoodie down in the back. Y'all know what I mean. And so if you're like 5'7", 170 pounds like I am, I would go with the medium. The large won't be bad, as the large will give you more room. But you got to understand how thick this hoodie actually is. So that's my opinion on size, guys, man. I hope I can help. Message me any questions in the comment section. I'm here. I'll respond to you right away. I just brought a new Fair Guard Essential hoodie here, and material-wise, beautiful. But far as thickness and being the perfect hoodie, this hoodie here cannot hold a candle to the Yeezy Gap Perfect Hoodie. It just can't. It doesn't form at the bottom like the Yeezy hoodie. You don't feel as secure with the hood part as the Yeezy hoodie. But this is a dope hoodie, man, and the material's great. It's just not the perfect hoodie. But that's my opinion, guys. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Yeezy versus Essentials. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Jones on the soundtrack.